Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So, I've been struggling with some skin issues. Acne, porn, skin, yes. So today I'm going to be doing an updated skincare routine. Something that I've been doing lately just to get my skin back intact. So I'm going to share that with you. So if you guys are interested to see what's my new skincare routine, then stay tuned and keep watching. So, as you guys can see, I do have on makeup, I have on lashes, everything. And if you cannot bear to see pain, then close your eyes because I'm about to yank these lashes off. Didn't hurt at all. So we're going to save these lashes because we're going to reuse them. So now that my lashes are off, I'm about to remove this makeup. And I will be using a makeup wipe remover first. Again, this is a makeup wipe remover. That's the first thing that I'm going to do. Just to get the excess makeup off before I start trying to cleanse my skin. Now I also have some clips that I will be showing you guys in this video of my skin, what it was looking like before it's now looking like this. I am really excited how my skin is looking now comparing to what it was looking like before. All right, so now that we have majority of the makeup off, let's cleanse. Now my cleanser that I use is the Acne.org. You guys know I talk about this product so much. Acne.org. That is a cleanser that I use because, as you guys already know, I have acne-prone skin. So let's wash our face. And face is clean. Now I'm going to use a paper towel. If your skin is sensitive, you could use a towel. But I just use a paper towel and I pat my skin. I do not pull, I pat. You can see? Pat. Pat, pat, pat. And there it goes. The next thing that I'll be doing is using a toner. And you guys already know I have my favorite toner. So let me share that with you. So what I do is I buy this at the pharmacy, which is Walgreens. And I use these with my toner. Maybe one day I'll invest in the Chanel's. Yes, girl is getting up there. All right. So this is my toner, the Pixie toner. I'm nearly out. And I'm just going to pour some here. Yeah. Get it pretty damp. And then I'm going to clean my skin. And I tend to go under my neck area too. Please don't neglect that area. I do use a toner up above my eyes. Although that part of your skin is very sensitive, I still do. And that's it for that. Now look at that. All right. So I let that dry down a little. Now you can use a fan to dry your skin if you do have one, but I don't. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, after this is dry down, I'm going to go in with the second, because for the Acne.org, there's 3 pieces, so a 3 method to it. So I'm going to go in with the second method. This is the second. Now this one, what it does, this is the acne regimen, and this is the benzyl peroxide. And so this is a treatment with benzyl peroxide. Now, if you know anything about benzyl, it's going to dry your skin out. So I'm going to rub it on my somewhat affected area, if you could see. I'm still struggling with these dark spots here, but trust me, it was worse. I'm still getting right there. I had that area there. I had my whole forehead had a major breakout, but it is much better. When I said much better, I mean much better. All right, so I'm going to spread this all over my skin. And if you do have acne, you know, sometimes it comes right around here. So I like to go there just in the event is thinking about getting there. I'm like, oh no, hold up. All right, so that's that. And I'm going to let that dry down. Now, if you do have a fan, you can speed through this process, but I don't. I do have a fan. Just don't know where it is at this moment. And you can use your hands to help the process speed up. So you want this to dry down. So just give it a couple minutes to dry down. Okay. All right. Now that it's dry down, yeah, I'm going to go in with the last regimen from the acne.org. And I know my bottle look like I've squeezed the living daylight out of it. This is the moisturizer. Now, I just use 1 pump of the moisturizer, and I do not rub the moisturizer on my skin. I tap it in. So I go in like that. Because that benzene is going to dry my skin out pretty bad. So I don't want it to look patchy in the morning, or even to start drying out my skin. So I just pat it in. And wherever that I put that regimen, I am going to pat that in. And this is the closest that I go to my eyes, like right there. Because again, you guys already know how sensitive that little skin around the eye is. So that's that. And of course, I'm going to let it, dry down. So while I do that, I'm going to go in with my eye cream. This is the Eye Transforming Cream from Olay. I normally just tap it right here. And I don't use a lot. I go above my eyes. And if you see, I keep borrowing from right here, because I put quite a lot there. And I'm putting a little more up here, just to make sure the skin up there look really wonderful. Then I am going to tap that in. And when I'm tapping it in, because of course I'm getting of age, so what I realize is my skin is going this direction, so I have to try to work it the other way. So you know, we all want to look young, right? So I'm going to tap it in, but tap it in and lift up my eyebrows to make sure, because I already have it hooded eyes and I don't want it to get worse. So I'm going to tap it in and I'm going to tap lift, and I'm just lifting up that little corner that can come down into a V, which I will not want. So I'm going to tap under my eyes too, so I don't pull the skin in any direction. It will just stay where it is. And just tap. I will look up and I'll tap. And I'll tap again the top part, just pulling it up, pulling up my brows. If you see, tap pulling. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So nothing complicated. Now I'm going to tap pull. And I'm just pulling the skin up. And I'll tap under here. And how I know that the moisturizer that comes with the acne.org treatment is not enough is because I can feel my skin tingling, which means it needs some other moisturizer just to cool it down. You understand what I mean? All right, so the next moisturizer that I'm going to go in with is another one from Olay. And this is the moisturizer, and this is the microscoping cream from Olay. And I'm going to tap some over my skin. And then I'll work that out. Now this sometimes I normally put over my eyes too, although it has nothing to do with the eyes, but it moisturizes it, right? And that's what I'm going to do with it. Now I'm going to rub that in. Rub it in. Rub that part in. And you may be saying, oh my God, there's a lot of moisturizer. No, it's not. It's never too much. And you see I'm tapping my forehead because I don't want the skin to come down. I want it to stay up. So that's why I'm doing that motion. So there it goes. And my skin already looking good. One more moisturizer and then a serum, I promise you. I'm going to go in with, this is the Aveeno. This is the Aveeno Absolute Ageless. Again, I'm going to my bed. You all know that dead skin falls at night. So we got to take care of that. I want to get up looking youthful. So I'm going to take one pump and I'm going to put that on my skin. Now this is going to look a little whitish. But don't worry, it's moisturizer. And it has SPF in it. 30. So again, I'm moisturizer all over my skin. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very much sorry. And I don't want that parenthesis on my face, so so I'm pulling my skin that way. Like, please leave my skin alone. All right. And I know I look like a grease bomb, but don't worry, my skin is going to drink this. One more serum. Well, this is the last one. And this is just a serum. And then I'm going to drop it. Okay, so now this serum is from Drunk Elephant. Yeah, Drunk Elephant. And this is the Virgin Macula Luxury Facial Oil. Yes, it has vitamin C, omega-6, omega-12, all the omegas. And I'm just going to put just a couple drop on my skin. And then I'm going to work that in. And what does this do? It helps you to look youthful. Again, that is all of us aim. Ain't you say that? Yeah. All right. And then that's it, guys. That wasn't long, was it? So that's it for my face. Then there's two more things that I do, which I'm going to show you guys. And it's pertaining to my skin. Yes. 1 second. Hold the line. Don't move. So, I do have eczema. Now, my eczema is not... I do normally get a breakout if there's allergy in my system. I'll get a breakout on my hand, my arm, or some spot like that. But I do have it on my neck. And I've talked about this in another video before about using this product here for eczema. I got this from Walgreens on my neck. If I don't use this on my neck, this is the color of my neck for some reason. So I'll have, my chest will be this color, my neck will be this color, my face will be this color. So I just put this on my neck. And this is the eczema treatment. And I rub it all over my neck. Even in the back of my neck. I rub it all over. And that takes care of that issue. If you call it an issue, I'm still blessed. The last thing, listen, it is really bad to have some crusty lips. And yes, you must moisturize your lips when you finish your face. You need your lips to be soft and not feeling like a razor. All right? So, I normally just pour a little of this. And I've talked about this product. Oops, it's going to fall. I got this from Amazon. They're pretty expensive. I just rub them on my lips, especially since I had on lipstick, although I had this underneath my lipstick. This is just to moisturize my lip. And voila. I am done. Wasn't that quick? Yes, it was. It wasn't that long. It wasn't hard. Pretty quickly. So if you can sit down and spend 2 hours and do your makeup, you can sit down in 30 minutes and take care of your skin after you remove your makeup. So guys, that's all that I have to share with you guys. This is my new facial routine that I've developed because, as I said, I had a major breakout and my skin has risen from the dead. Thank God. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys are using on your skin, especially serum. I'm very interested in serums. If they works, leave a comment below. Let me know what are you guys new facial routine? What are you guys doing during this time differently that you guys weren't doing before? And I will check it out. Definitely will. Subscribe, give me a thumb up. Subscribe, give me a thumb up. And I'll see you all on the very next